Galia melons, a hybrid of cantaloupe and honeydew, are known for their sweet, aromatic flavor and juicy, slightly firm flesh. Originally developed in Israel, these melons have a round shape and netted skin, making them a favorite among fruit enthusiasts. Growing Galia melons offers numerous benefits. They are rich in vitamins A and C and dietary fiber. Their sweet, aromatic taste is unparalleled, and they can be enjoyed fresh, in salads, smoothies, or even grilled. Plus, there's immense satisfaction in growing your own fruit. Galia melons thrive in warm, sunny climates with well-drained soil. Ensure temperatures are between 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit and provide at least 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Conduct a soil test to adjust pH levels and incorporate organic matter like compost to improve soil fertility and structure. Start seeds indoors 4-6 weeks before the last frost date, using seed trays filled with high-quality seed starting mix. Maintain a temperature of 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit and provide plenty of light. Harden off seedlings before transplanting. Alternatively, sow seeds directly in the garden after the danger of frost has passed. Harvest Galia melons when the skin turns golden yellow and a sweet aroma develops near the stem. The melon should easily detach from the vine with a gentle twist. Handle melons gently to avoid bruising and store them in a cool, dry place.